Chandra, thank you for joining us on Bloomberg Quaint. This is for the first time, I think, in a few decades that you have postponed the delivery of guidance for the next year. Can you take us through what were the factors that led to NASSCOM holding back its guidance for the next financial year?
I think you have to bear in mind that this has also been the first year in which we have issued a revised guidance as recently as in November, less than 3 months ago.
Yeah.
And therefore, it's not as if in 3 months something has changed dramatically where that there is some black swan event which makes us have a revised assessment at this point. But going forward, we feel that there are few uncertainties which are still there, which are still playing themselves out, notably the new administration in the US taking shape, the consequential impact of that on the business scenario in the US, whether it is in the financial sector or whether it is in terms of the budgets for IT spend being frozen, especially the discretionary part of it.
Yeah.
And those attendant uncertainties in that market on account of these transitions make it difficult to estimate this precisely. That is the reason why we felt that it would be better to wait for a little while, make that assessment, and then be able to make a more reliable and precise estimate.
How much of the new transformation which the industry is facing from traditional to digital, AI, automation is one factor in this guidance, holding up of guidance, because that's something that's an uncertainty which no one knows how it's going to play out going forward.
I think that is not a major factor in consideration, because that's a secular trend which has been going on now for quite some time. The industry is well aware of it. It has been preparing itself for it, and I would say it is well on its way to be prepared for the future, especially because we have already shared that the demand scenario is robust. It's actually rising, not falling. Globally, the demand scenario is going up fairly rapidly. It's also clear that that demand is increasing more in the digital space, not in the traditional space. And therefore, a critical part of that equation is the skills and the availability of skills. This is in short supply globally. And every country has major challenges, but in India we have the same challenge, but we are in a far better position to be able to reorient and re-equip ourselves. And that's also the reason why we have launched this skill initiative, which we announced today, which is intended to leverage the potential that we have to access that opportunity.